Sat Shri Akal ji. So this video is about Fanshawe College, which is open for May 24 intake. All the course list about the college from undergraduate to postgraduate are mentioned in the description below. I will not be covering each and every program in this video because it will be a very long video. I started that, so I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. And we have already posted about this college with the course list with the requirement already on our Instagram account. So if you are not following our account, don't forget to follow that. The link is mentioned in the description below. So this has been posted I think 5 days already, the 5 days ago, and when I'm making this video. So the admission requirement for IELTS requirement is 6 each for undergraduate, and for postgraduate 6.5 overall, not as a 6. PT score 60 for both undergraduate and postgraduate program, and TOEFL is 83 for undergraduate and 88 for postgraduate program. And the programs which are available, I will not be covering each and every one, but briefly some of them. For example, for undergraduate we have business accounting, which is good for commerce students, and then comes business supply chain and operation, which is good for commerce or any student who have done any kind of already done a diploma or a small certificate program sorry, in the related field. And then comes business marketing, which is good for commerce students. Then comes baking and pastry art management, which is good for art students or students who have interest in culinary, or you have done any kind of certificate program in the similar subjects. And then comes early childhood education in the Toronto campus. I think in Canada they pronounce Toronto. So I'm trying to get the whole accent thing right now, the whole pronunciation thing. And yeah, so as I was telling about the early childhood program, which is good for students who have done 12th in psychology or social science, and even basic art students can apply. It's just if you have done psychology, your visa chances would be much better. And no, it is not related to medical students. Now, medical students try to avoid this program, and you can opt for many other good programs. And yes, I know you might have be thinking, okay, you know what, this friend has already got visa in this early childhood after medical. I'm not saying that you won't get visa. It's just the visa chances is a little less if you apply in this program. For medical students, there are many other programs, many other majors which are very good, very rewarding in comparative to this in terms of PR and job opportunities. And then comes hospitality, hotel and restaurant management. For management commerce students, yes, commerce students can opt for hospitality management program. It is completely related. Wherever you see the word management, definitely any commerce students can opt for, or any management related students can opt for this program. And yes, students with arts who have economics in their core subjects, you can offer this one also. And then comes a motive power technician for non-medical students or students who have done ITI, you can offer this one. And motive power technician is in automotive and diesel major. And then comes the postgraduate program. So list is very long, so I won't be covering every one, but a brief intro in this video. From programs are available from advanced communication, professional, mechanical, or mechanical students. So you can filter out the programs very easily. Okay, it's not so difficult as people think of it. Any engineering student can opt for engineering programs wherever and which program you are seeing management, except from construction project management. This is for civil students. So civil students for this one. And then comes palliative care for health background, practical elements of mechanical engineering for BTech pass of mechanical students. So all these programs. And for hospitality tourism for students who have done graduation in hospitality management, the programs are available for them too. From customer services, business management, basic entrepreneurship program, and yeah, almost current 3D animation for 3D animators who have done any kind of major in that. Programs are available. So the video is already 4 minutes long. So sorry for making this long. I'm trying to make short videos as much as possible. So anyways, if you like the video, if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video so far. Keep supporting. Bye bye.